Former minister, also member of CPI National Control Commission Manipur State Council, Dr. Moirangthem Nara, has urged CPI members to explore and analyze the changing dynamics of socio-economic and political conditions in and outside Manipur. He was speaking at the 14th Triennial Conference of CPI Thoubal District, which was held today at the Hall of Sophia English School, Thoubal Wangmataba. Speaking further, Nara stressed on evolving nature of socio-economy and political conditions in Manipur, our country, and globally as a whole. Nara also asked CPI members to show their love and loyalty to the political party by putting party's ideology and principles into practice. During the conference, former chairman of CPI National Control Commission, Manipur State Council, Y. Dhananjoy, hoisted the party's flag. Besides, CPI members observed 2-minute silence as a mark of respect to late party members. Political and organizational reports of CPI Thoubal District were also presented during the conference.
Very much socio-economic political conditions in the country, in the state, and for that matter, the entire world, complex, complicated situation, organization because situation is very, very complicated. Complication again, this is the opportunity. Party in the proper direction, struggle kayana, yung general matamumada ay koina. Chumnadagi slip service na taba. Hanadik rehen struggle oriented to iba direction na madat sa pagitangay po